Bonjour tout le monde! Every French lesson we start by doing the introduction video, so don't forget to have a look back at that one. And do you remember what we were looking at last week? That's right, we went to the jungle and we saw some animals. Can you remember them? Maybe you remember un éléphant, or maybe you remember une girafe with its long neck, or un crocodile. You can always have a look back at that video if you want to remember them all. But today we're going to do something different because we're going to a farm, une ferme. So I've got a bag here with me, and in my bag there's some things. Dans mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What is there in my bag? We can say, dans mon sac, il y a pouf, 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 un chien, un chien, a dog. Dans mon sac, il y a un mouton, un mouton. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What else is there in my bag? Dans mon sac, il y a un chat, un chat. Miaou. Dans mon sac, il y a un canard, quack, quack. Un canard, quack, quack. What else is there in my bag? Dans mon sac, il y a une vache. Une vache. A cow. Dans mon sac, il y a un cheval. A horse. Un cheval. I think there might be one thing left. Oh yes. What's this? Dans mon sac, il y a un cochon. Un cochon. A pig. How many of those animals do you think you can remember? Now let's see how many we remember. I'm going to say a sentence. Can you tell me what the animal I'm talking about is? My sentence is going to start dans la ferme il y a, which means on the farm there is. See how you do. Dans la ferme il y a un cochon. Un cochon. A pig. On the farm there is a pig. Let's try another one. Dans la ferme, il y a une vache. Une vache. A cow. I would now like you to create your own farmyard scene. You can draw this, make it out of Play-Doh, use Lego, or whatever else you'd like to use. Put in the animals and where they go. Don't forget to label it, and if you can, try to write a whole sentence. Dans la ferme, il y a, and then the animal. I'm looking forward to seeing your pictures. Enjoy! Au revoir! Languages with Katie. If you've enjoyed this video, why not watch some more? There's plenty there. Have fun learning French and Spanish with Languages with Katie. Subscribe on the link below.